Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle. Select this circle, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this circle. Now we need line segment tool, hold Shift and draw the line. Select this line, pick up the stroke color, increase this stroke value, same to circle size. Select this line, go to arrange and send to back. Now select all, go to object and expand. Now we take shape builder tool and join this path. Select those portion and pick up the color. Now select those and go to effect, distort and transform and transform. Copies to angle 60°, must be check mark reflect X and reflect Y. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.